way to do it, Jay.
Yeah, it is. Blizzard of 2026.
We gotta go get a tree, blocking the only means of egress from my lady's house.
Keep your head down.
Yeah. Alright, Timmy, you come to rescue us? Contact! Yeah, baby. Alright, they want to turn you around that T intersection there. Hold tension, yeah? Alright, move out of the way. Alright, I'm off the engine and on the ambulance. Stay home, folks. It's not safe out here. Wow, those are the real heroes right there. Look at these guys.
I'm coming a little late for some overtime.
Pat, how many CO calls have you done today?
All of them.
It's down to the pavement.
How you doing, Don? Shut down gas to the property. Ventilating now.
48 hours down, 24 more to go.
That's it, baby. That's it.
We're headed to a finger amputation. We'll see when we get there. Get on the right. That's two people in a row, back to back, that have cut their fingers off reaching in a snowblower. What do you say, John?
Go do that.
All right, Chief, you mind giving us a quick update on the storm?
Sure, Danny. As of yesterday, we've done about 120 calls. All types were in the response recovery phase now. As you can see, the sun is out. Pictured here is our brush breaker. This was a lifesaver yesterday. Responded to pretty much every call. 8-wheel drive with the winch, pulled out multiple vehicles as part of our winter storm response package. It did excellent, and it's not just used for wildfires.